Yeah. 106.3 FM and at Wasugu Awuti and as I said Fasuko Sports Eden Fambro Apega this year.
Black.
Ahofedia.
Yes, black.
What to was the share Juman in there. Mavis Malaka cried in himself out.
I honor me, madam.
I am madam.
I share. Honor me, madam. Me a deputy.
As now, Bibiaba called you. Good. Yanyan in Temu, not young call a chum wedding, no? Sure. Because chum walene. Our odoko tipper. Odoko tipper. Obewa yenchi obewa. Oh yeah. Send me a minute. Me kuya din komo. A higher crown. A higher crown. Daddy. Yeah. Of New York. Na me pesa mekani bebre. Facebook for no so ko on ho. Ja momra Facebook na me hwe na ho fe de nya easy. And Cameroonian hair where you baby. Anyway, I forget this year.
Yes, black.
Now and Soko Sports, what do you have for us?
Yo black Soko Sports need the da and some neighbor brain near the nam. Now and then no ye 50 said that the be no. Nyame aduma aye ejwada the Ghana Olympic Committee omo ye elections. Mobile be vote into president ni general secretary no mo keka na ye ba be to so aba. Enti nyame aduma ejwada elections no ba so ra be nunu mensa on not see akunya ne so na lawyer Richard Akpokavi ono so ba be to mumienu no nyame ya aduma me sure san na ejwada de be sano ne yehu de oye GOC president.
Okay.
Na ye koye nim dia CAF nso no fia de yenra omatwa okay unanimous but yenya new CAF president. Say enya madama de biom. Enya madama na CAF president. Say new CAF president ne friend of Patrice Motsepe ono na Ofi ono na team my friend Mamelodi Sundowns.
Okay.
They are South African.
Okay.
South Africa.
Okay.
Or South African billionaire patch say enya asem ketwa. Enti say ono and the new CAF president. The CAF president Patrice Motsepe enye Amadi.
Okay.
Na ye fi hodia na ye nto aso enko amanone. Former Brazilian star, your friend Adriano Liet Ribeiro. But do not name as Adriano. Your friend Adriano just say Brazil or Babe Bobo Palm, Brazil man. You see a cancer my class this is Inter Milan, Flamingo, Corinthians, and AS Roma. Now a brand say Sema or dear Babe to Janice say that's sorry, I had the encouraging shame. Or what 1.2 million pounds mansion. And now Osio a dino. Odenya ni de fie wafuno no. Enti waton. Na oton ye no wanfa nkwa nkoto foforo. Na emom ye se ukọ Brazil ho a. Hotel bi a chese ne buo den ye no asikafo ne akukudamfo ne koda ho. Ye friend the Grand Hyatt.
That's
Grand
right.
Hyatt ni ye the picture no. Ebe ti ye stream ni sinti wa unim no ba be hwe Grand Hyatt hotel no. E no se hotel ho no betena. Waton ni fie no anfa nkoto fie foforo anfa nko handan na emom hotel ho na osi obeti na hotel ho ni ye gene £10,000 a month. £10,000 a month na waton ni fie na wapark ne niema na se osi hotel ho na akotena
na he na say oda ahwea odi hotel no sa wo beach hey
you say Brazil for ni beach there
by the way we see a lazy chair no so na odi ne canopy si no so na umbrella na si no so na one body shoes
ne trophies ne na de kakra owini de na osisa ni nyina afi
eno na wahihye ni nyina agu ono we dey baby on TVC na odi trophies na sisi wo yo na just on hwe TV
ono de ne dan
eti ani otena na kwa ohwe ne trophies ni say no dey achi taste sasa nya me se fa aquarium si ho no
ya me na se mekai enti abrantie Adriano ono da so eja waton ni fie no akotena hotel si fie ho afuno no na Grand Hyatt no na bonten by inside ho ne by na bonten na every you stream this say na Grand Hyatt no ho etie baby a chese ono presidential suite ho e no si ope
that's right
that's not just say enya asem keto acquired ma abrantie Adriano
hey Charlie by who feel what? Swimming pools in bed 3. And I pronounce that you
outside.
Where front view.
Yeah.
Where front view in area shot pa. A put on that hono. I know I turquoise color na da hono. Emiti sky no. Hotel nefu. Hey, just say one is a figure one of what's
said the anti Bushumi be a 10,000 pounds. Bushumi be a course so best an idea of compare baby for a contract.
Was he about an idea? And if I said this can be son. When I didn't the answer, I just a cash in a son.
Bushumi be a 10,000 pounds, not just say, oh, Tiasa. Now, your Brazil, why a former Brazil player, Saya legend, a brand friend is Zico. Or no, so no, ono de osi 40 years ni ne car o use 40 years still na wa maintain car na ma still go use car no obi de ne sika wa turn ne da o de ne de enjoy your hotel no on you say ne car o use 40 years ago ne no a go use car no we need car no as man of the match abro or any car no abro win man of the match for Liverpool ni Flamingo for game o mo 1981 e wo Intercontinental Cup no nya car ni be sin ne nyina ye owura Zico oyisi e car ne say Toyota Celica yo ntogusu yusu ai na ye koye nim dia black say opo de buye be man put there so any problem ka baby say o take calm na traffic at show na do say just no ka dey any problem
sa o
no problem o this be number 2 na chill na ne dey be a problem ka ba do so dey
na do so do traffic ko do so he
sa me ma dey nya dey so benya solution man
ti say solution ti say
na me bisa we me
wo si eye dey benya solution na say solution ti say
enye so bebre na
ti say
ya na chese
chese o traffic si anu abie do no na wadwon so agukan sa na person kira na the hen out there
no bet me asi na mo dey kwan no do ani kire ba bia na chese mo skills na mo ye ma ya ya se me mo enye
ba wo mo dun so gu bottle mu dey won share that hu
e wo ka ni
ebi mo ya pressure obesi na de ntien ye se ne pure bottle water no onum nsuo ni nyina o hwa obi ani ha na ne o de dro be na shim no wa hwe agu mboko shiro do
na make us am dey problem ni sheda nya yi na eye referee bi na referee e friend Dennis da Silva Ribeiro na bra omubo eye Copa de Brazil no game between Boa Vista and Goiás for game na referee center referee aba bempre ni game you go chese we introduce ni linesman ni ade afi de just saw the referee nanka na sere permission so na kwa just said by force referee gina park isu a chese tata
wajem
wasonche egu no
waja okra
wasonche egu nti yenya video kakra ye kote baby nya video kit suwa bi a chese obehu se referee ni Japan kra chese just one na on fio bi akra na so pro ni na ho sa na just no ene na me na ho na pro funi ni kanim sa na chese okona nim de on ti obi a case cry
referee pa FIFA referee
ai
ene waja no ho sa no
this video ni be da so chese one on ti obi a case we wie ni obi a wie kra oni obi aka we wie mu
enye izo mumra Facebook na mmehemo ni so ade Johnson na eba no ta na he funny enough so osa Johnson no wasi ni trase wasi ni trase
so pe jan ni obeda ye
eno ni asem no
na ni empa chese
she ena camera no so capture o ena Johnson nam no ho ta we unim de esa koye esa ko ka so ohia nsuo ye mani nsuo na ko wahye nsuo na gu ni tri so ti ohye nsuo ni gu ni tri so a na ko dwun so fam boko
ma say so ne Johnson ne kala ne
you are ke be camouflage ke de be fam akosa
ntina chese referee Dennis why no ho
bibia be fine
na unim say eye UFC for no mo me mix martial arts de o mhye cage mu ne ye bro
eye Israel Adesanya ne nkofo
say ye mo na empire ye nya
to say McGregor mo
me da sick ye mo na empire ye nya o no mo no say ye see ye ball punch back a usika 330,000 pounds per punch ye ball
any is go
na empire 330,000
any is go
ai ntina mo wom no mugusu wom no nti ya ball back nti wani ji ho an say the picture abeda so ya ball bi ma na no afini ni makodi na tiko
that's right
na sika semu nti ya sika pending
that's right
pending nti ya ball nti wa o ye interested
we discuss we bedaji eno ni asem no
you interested and not just say no ho asem no ye ball back na pa ya punch back ye di say boom 330,000 pounds ye ball no na o kan
sir
na be no eja wo hwe o masa na dia calculate times
aso hye bebem wo de hwe ba ku ya blow bi land na fono ho na hwe de we anano asi achia ni wakata na ni utum se awurade mawu punch ye wura mi mu ankasa punch na wura ni mu ankasa wo de hwe nanim na we odini sika house ya de no diska bro ring ni mu tu
ya bone mananu afini ni makodi ne
eno ni asem no bibia be fine
okay nti black and no so de odi kan na ya mre ne sinanya ya fa video of the day no
ya fa video of the day and to also and fa mamu video of the day bonjani on Facebook na mo he the video of the day eye ene anopay ya de breo
phone so de okay we ko onye bro ni mata bibi ni otia bro chira na se bibi ni black American no de ma minka na sa na eye idea ya ti say we call akoso mo say ye canopy work no we no be times 5 times 10 kra na menka e no de ne ni agiches e no nya de okwa nam so e no ye nam so ye ja wo mu
ni de ahoma so mu
enya paragliding so ye paragliding kra put dey say ye ja wo mu fi so na amena donko abo wom nsuo wom e de wo na me hwa de nam sinti we kra motivation ye den ti na wo say me ya de we menti ase make obi say o abroche for the curiosity ni ade the curiosity be on my ensoma we nkohwehwe what ye journey move through ono
na no usually e de ahoma eso mu eno no eya baby o ha na eye for therapy eye for therapeutic reason
o yare na
say ye pese u face your fears they want you to face your fears obi o ha ne fear ni height fear of height it fear of height no ye pese u face u fear no na utume conquer wo fear no nti saade a ye do bakwa akogina soro ne ye de ahoma na so mu ne ye jaw mu tu kwa na swing say ya say sa me kura me swing yi manwu medi owo su nkunim bo se wo su medi owo su nkunim
aha na wudi nkunim na sa ahoma ne tia
eno no ye when u fear ben for ye nkrasefo so fear ben for nkrasefo a eno no na say wi ye hu se wo paraglide a anadwo wada no kwa ne abenya no sorry one sane sorry na wi ye hu se wo paraglide anadwo no be se ne so enko paraglide anadwo no night rider
okay ti ababa wa no owo ye stream ni so hwe na no oyobi nso animu odu
ba ni mu nso edu mama Facebook na mama he de ba na chi nso mu edu na chi ni mu edu na ho ne kote oba ne den
ana mo so na o chi to na achi
o face ni fear
therapeutic ni o face
chale be hu ubegina de na no say pa na e ba beje mu say re o sa shake ne to
ai na son of
get we na ni mu ni de o
fear na no face ko no
o face fear no therapy
o face ko
therapy
fear ni e je mu say bama na be say fear no face ya na say
there we ni yam hwehwe no ba o shada de asana fam o de release stress or they release stress
okay ne una
or they release stress washada asana osa hu ni di ye fe no mezo
enti ye jem no gusu mezo na
enti obejem ye bejem padidi bejem ni mo o bejem ni mo eh ana kro no ye o mezo ko eh ade ne hu
o mezo ko
eh na homa me tie ade ne hu eh che swingi ne de ne kwa buo no woda ho
na che se well so de o therapeutic into me fair no
hu
me de mi hu motive me ni den ku
they be where they want you to face your fears
yeah we de na ma me na me de na me face
usro na bo sa homa no swingi say akina wo betumi Akiwa obetumi
we there me family life say me life cry three cry
on fa life in your grossa
Debbie
ohini yesu won chano
meje dia wo wi ase
on fa wa brabon ngro no na akisha again form no o sha form no so etemo
na make us so
we there water bamba
I tell you extra large na ni weight na huma kwete ya ka ni tu ya beto he
no na hu hia no beto he black
ready nyame
onu wi ya no
ready hu ya moboda
ya shoba
afe ready China for no so ye
no oba besia ne na we
afe ready China for ne ye China ni be ma no no usro weight no oba ni mom na ebu ano Ochi.
She oba baby oba.
I'm ready to me. I'm out for my China. You know, my China. You know, Oba Kure. Now we have Mama. Oh, would you go about you so good? Who?
Why, yeah, sure. So I had that. Why?
Yes, I have Homa Cross house. So still.
Oh, so but couldn't face any fear now.
And China, the pedium, you.
Fear neither when you face in. Face in your question. What
China didn't tell.
We are on a well. That's how.
What you should we're sitting back. One in a liar. Oh, yes, and not the one man. What the one man says sign. Oh, shall best signing now. Only the checkbook or best sign from beginning to end, not the amount. And that's same.
Maybe I better fine.
Oh, no, come on.
Now, oh, bear my part, the old damo. Odam hot church now.
Now, why didn't go now?
Say, we should not office in the peer therapy.
There be fear with you. Now, them near the battle crank.
Therapy.
And not therapy, I was so thinking.
Therapy, maybe I better fine.
You are fine. One therapy.
Okay. And I paid this year, or day a year, Soko Sports, or day a bre and ne anopay. Not make our say, ope a year home appliances, beer atwa. Makers Company is the place to visit. Say, ope a year electronic appliances, beer atwa. Makers Company, and a beer, I was say, ode when it shared. Say, Moye, you may cool, and now Moye cool, more function. Ekuo no a serious group na mo pese mo ye bibi edema mo members mo pese mo to home appliances mo pese mo to electronic appliances edema mo members na mo tua ne nkakra Makers Company Limited ewo facility soronko a ye de be ma na onso watumi ayeden mo tumi enjoy sa facility mo ye enwumakuo companies ahodo a motie me se mo pese mo tonyo de ma mo company workers no a mombra Makers Company Limited na mombaje electronics ni nyina mombaje home appliances ni nyina enfan free the Makers Company Limited na ye betie wasopem na ya spread ya ma tua ne nkakra na emama ye odia aside the fact say wo mo asama 60% discount no ye sign spread ma na watumi tua ne nkakra we ye government work anko adia akwanya kese pa ena aba ediama wo ope blender ato ope DVD player ato ope flat screen ato ope double decker fridge ato ope double door fridge ato ope tabletop fridge ato fridge bi a opa ato ope deep freezer ato ope air conditioners ato ope water dispensers ato ope chese electronic appliances bi anu a opa ato no the Makers Company Limited and a beer I was said ode when he actually the Makers Company Limited and a beer I was said ode when he actually Mama Ogus headphone mommy why Mama Ogus headphone mommy Mama Ogus headphone mommy the Makers Company Limited she chira kwai ube hu on go chira kwai wa Taifa Burkina Highway no so Taifa Burkina Highway no so afi so no be say hu obi o Amasaman Zongo Junction one Edike Pharmacy no the same building mo e wo Amasaman Zongo Junction afi Ashama Valco Flat Ashama Valco Flat ube hu no the Makers Company Limited one branch bako e wo ho 60% discount any day ma e wo de obeto bia e wo the Makers Company Limited and into per appliances at all you so now pe bia to akosi adwumam na no workers more you so the Makers Company Limited Makers Company Limited and e bia e wo say odi wani kire from amaso 055 222 253 055 muntie number di you 055 222 2253 055 222 2253 and now 055 222 2254 055 222 2254 now only the Makers Company Limited for into me entertain come one more great deals our home appliances and the consumer electronics beer ope atono home of affordable appliances and the electronics there the Makers Company Limited. This is 106.3 FM. Na yensaka eye Ogunskele ewofia ha of a too tough America. Over that down ball. I swear. Ogunskele
straight up black eye.
Challenge Biamako. Mafu. Hey, now go say Ogunsu go say.
So I want to life.
We remember when you guys came into the music scene as a duo. Now you shame on stage. These guys American guys, pa. And yeah, easy. How has the journey been for you guys, man? As I say, we knew Too Tough to be said mu duo. And as I say, Ogunskele de nyumaba. Let's look at it from a while, baby see a year or single.
Too Tough. Also, a trebi dia of fato honoso. Trebi enya, you know, effect our life no so. Yeah, be a baby a tough. Sika ba a tough. I want you to answer a tough. Bibia I say bibia a tough. But you better nyame ase. Ene ni nyame ayama Too Tough.
That's right.
And then me Ogunskele as you know what I mean, single artist, me person me latest be a PAP and sing.
That's right.
God has been good. Many accidents, so me be so I wouldn't Masawu and see. Come on, we just have to be grateful instead of you better think about your man to treat him. We have to move on.
That's right.
We have to wake up each and everybody and be grateful. We have to move. We keep moving and we moving each and every day.
Definitely.
Too Tough. Tia Bekume. It was nominated, you know what I mean, Shake Your Body, and also Aquentiana Minya, ma, yes, I call back to America, you call Pace Kakakra, you back to Ghana in 2010, Odonia de Bremo, Mia Wezolo, yeah.
That was when 2010?
2010.
Yeah. That was 11 years ago.
And after 2010, Nanka SC released another album, Emma Ghanaians.
Yeah.
That was the, I think that was the toughest. That was the toughest album I ever released.
Okay.
Near feature Sarkodie, feature Kwakase, feature Trigmatic, feature almost. Yeah, industry, Obia, or Brafo was supposed to be part of it, Obia. But a bit of being a red Benya dream be say or no per se. Or the reggae album be about and see I don't know a bit delay say album no and my album no be seen again to me and release.
That's right. That's right.
If it one no be release like ni reggae songs on your brand for number here and your money like artists will be releasing in but that's that time and so me share them so make sure because the whole idea and said and can you release your fourth album in my Ghanaian Siweya, Kaske Benyano, or no bit me releasing singles. Now come me releasing singles. Anytime be a person boom, I be Too Tough, Adia Momo. No, because red or talent or talent reggae more talent when you be brave. You understand? I mean, so your talent. About see Antonio, young rap, young critic, and your man to be critic. You understand? It do baby no, and I see I'm in the young senka. We be solo sometimes. Now we solo sometimes. Me gather your fans ni nya ba share Too Tough. So I'm telling because e bi no mo person ya metonyo mo no. E bi no so ho mo person ya ready so or line. Na sane adwe.
Nti ho na nti ase na anya
adwuma se na ye pen. Enu nti na se ye nti Too Tough nka bi mu a. Enu nti nti Too Tough nka.
Okay. And asane be kwa akoya na say are we going to see a future e be hu say.
Like I say we no more do e wo me ready ntem. You do your too much.
That's right.
You betumi ama be atiti and temache for so long. Now I'm scared ready. Or don't you share ne cry still or don't Hannah ready.
Charlie, let's do it, man. Let's do it, man.
My feel rough.
This is my feel rough. Come on, man.
I'm Sierra Bay.
Sure.
I'm sure baby, I'm sure baby. Castro baby, I will be an Isla.
That's right.
Me astro me. odo makume mo tia bekome oyo mi tryna say my dear wu no bi anya me asro me wate odo ye makume mo adom FM for mo say the fans all over the world tie check odo ye way no jackpot no na chia
Sabre fie
tie marami die no jackpot no na chia sana bre fie wate Castro say odo me the wedding tomato say warana me ba
aje
enti ye na bra Bibini broni, odo ye brana ma ko ma shoshona ache. Ye brana ma ko ma shoshona ache. Yentu abasako.
Eda say.
Odo ye brana ma ko ma shoshona ache. Ye brana ma ko ma shoshona ache. Makoma. Enti yentu abasako mana.
Abasako mana.
Yentu abasako mana.
Abasako mana.
Yentu abasako mana.
Abasako mana.
Abasa. Na red I say. What's it say? Fame on no back where I share. Yanabra, Ipebu Yense. Be want to mokemba. No let animal walk in mama. Can't worry, baby. Moko, no fading, Samo emotion when they obey me. No say, care for fire. You let someone who need a bad boy. We walk where what yelling again. They walk and what yelling again. City cock, baby for Halifax. Family near Cow. Meaning on your tower, where you more. Yet you talk game of commercial. Money, my crack. If you're me for Kakolo and then check. Boko me pen no your hammy mission. Banaka Majessica. No get only way. Question few no yet. And to call it Ojalaniwa.
Join us on Facebook. Live on Facebook.
They were Papa Bill is go be a yam,
I found August or rapper neighbor. Mutie vibes. Makome muto fe metafra me fo ye me die me ndi ben kumreje mate me hu me se me fe makome mu obi ba eno anwo fe sweet bompo adewada obi bi ni ba da be no beba soko unya ne dine ka photo sikonko manu apa koko obi akono de obi do poso no me fa juma beba na wato me pono e de be ne dadi se ma fe na fono e kro musu akona na get to be e fe na bi o da be me so me da be ka check ka me se give me Campo no wayo, mama make na fio.
City pompo be fia kwenti o, no busu ke. Forma kai, fiatia, matete to mago. Bisa se when proper betu. Mama make me sense your dread. Ata se sana etio. City baby I would be a sambro.
Charlie, this one was which year, man?
This was 2004.
Okay, then let's do this one. Papa, let's do this one right about now.
Odobo the ashin, yo.
I swear. When you a year, babe?
We're 2010.
2010. This is the title of the same.
Miawezo.
Odonkwa. Regina.
Papa Bess is your donny de Bremo.
There was no.
I don't know from Donam de Bremo.
Bonari,
Messi, or Donny de Bremo. Gana,
there was no.
Donny de Bremo.
Bonari,
America, ya say say tiki pa edredem yanyum utrasitia insemwom ahwene pankasa to America no pamtie ka check akra anka yeyane Ghana music industry yaya fancy tin ya jamaka afeni abati mo man ya kwaba mo brase ni odonko ayamba ne topa mo fa nyumi diasa baby go see extra no pa jama wabo bogabi uka food na for them son tompa what can so ko baby aba udri ka uba ko trebi dia be wato pa okay the baba na ya te the baba na so fe na ma we see odoni e de bremo
let's do it from the top, man. Let's do it from the top, man. Let's do it from the top, man. When music is nice, we lick it twice. Especially when it tastes better like sugar and spice. Goose Kelly.
Black.
Live on Facebook. Me always up no
Ghana mami so don't hear the bremo.
na rive.
Don't hear the bremo. Me always up no. You don't hear the bremo.
Na rive.
America. Ya say senke pan edredem yam utrasitia insemwom ahwene pankasa to America no pamtie ka check akra anka yeyane Ghana music industry ya fancy tin ya jamaka afeni abati mo man akwaba aho brase ni odonko ayamba ne topa mo fa nyumi diasa baby go see extra no pa jama wabo bogabi uka to na for them so topa what can so ko baby aba udri bika uba ko trebi dia be wato pa never man I at never man is one Nama don't hear the bremo.
Yeah, where's up? No,
don't hear the bremo.
Na rive.
Don't hear the bremo.
Yeah, where's up? No,
yeah. Don't hear the bremo.
Na rive.
Okay. About fe. Mugusu killing bo nyon with the dead to America. Nene kwa on the kese no cre ope kuana meye. Yeah, my mentality. Me feeling wale we are strong kupoto ne pe wo ho se wo hyere ho ton ho sabano bu no ho senku sini ni the west ni jonku amo poku joku abroku na sineti ebie young man ayaba ye brand senye sikat ma bretua na so psam koda kwa ene gentle ni ba wo boa hia insomu na tum ya na bra no do ne kum fisa yiram kan ye dum o se min twini men kan sunsun ye call club so okọ na chi bakume ni yi ni na se kire me sa sabone de kuma sase pesa me kan se abi adiza on pekasa onyo babasa basa mo mameka kwa kase baby obia chale kwao
anyway,
more than love
Charlie Goose Kelly
straight up
Charlie ba o hwe hip life world na massive changes see we mu ana say baby am start free enefo na am so take over no who say are they taking it to another level and I say come from how do you see it
bra nyame no kwanim ewiase akonanim enti definitely they are coming some level.
Okay.
Yeah, time no dey say na black obekaya a CD any inlays. Obetma ton cassette rights, obetma ton CD rights to make money. So I'm cheba see YouTube you know how
digital
people
platforms
to
digital
platforms for you to make money. So on my channel, obetma I advert big akra to baby na wo jisika so on my channel. The more you become relevant on like social media, and that's how you make money.
Exactly.
Understand? It changes the BABM new school. Osho bit say Kwame Eugene, Uti bit say Kidi Utie boys here or mobile. They are all doing great. You understand? Osho Kumasi boys, Kuma American boys here, they are just doing great. You know, new era boys, they are doing good.
That's right.
It's the say you too many almost blending in. You understand? Sane nye numno you too much from almost nimno.
But do they come to you? And you say what person me say young ones no wo mo ban panimfo no hode
black so no say ogun skill dey me a down ball
sir down ball
it's me we a down ball me no down ball
e kwa bia
say dey shatawality no me no ye down ball still
sir
say dey sa ko dey tell me no ye down ball still me no kwa kase no down ball so boy me no bia ye down ball
exactly
still. Captain Planet baby will be I'm sure I love
fantastic,
you
fantastic
yeah you're keeping it real from day one and we're not going to change. This is the way we are and
that's right.
This is the way we're going to remain.
2021 what the latest about title they say
Me pacho, your friend, you are my wife.
You are
my wife.
My wife. Yeah. Hey. That is so free.
I say, you know, be say me about. It be your love, I want some more. If it be doggy, give me raw. Pick up the phone, Moko talk. I be horse, I no be dog. You be the pillar, be the wall. I go marry you for sure. So, baby, make you no worry at all. Baby, you are my wife, darling. You are
I tell
my
you.
life,
I tell
baby. You are my wife, darling. You are my life.
Now we not to know key bay.
That down home.
They want to say that Mr. Key Ben are used to hear.
The voice skinner to you.
Let's do the brand new one. It's a brand new one.
What's it? Although when he bet you white. Hey, down, boy. Many mates,
See?
Success. Oh, you me cho. You know, be say me about. If you love, I want some more. If you be doggy, give me raw. Pick up the phone, Moko talk.
Sure.
I be horse, I no be dog. You be the pillar, be the wall. I go marry you for sure. So, baby, make you no worry at all.
Let's go.
Baby, you are my wife, darling. You are my life, baby. You are my wife, darling. You are my life, easy. That I want, to me can have a female. That I want, Bobo, can hold a female. Ain't nobody like you. Believing in you was true. And my gross, you are so cool. Oh, yes, so good. Ain't nobody like you. Believing in you was true. And my gross, you are so cool. Me wow, ever you crab, me wow, when he beg cake. Me wow, my father they said in the Congo, Baba Bessie. Me wow, this is 2020. Me wow, or they wait, me wow. You are my wife, my wife. You my life, my life, my wife.
One I'm on time for not shocking. The sounds of my force at a dime and I trust it in Tracy. One who come and read the one lock for picking me sorting. I dear me divorce my baby. Maybe as in the Dutch and the wild. Sweetie, what the end of a heat in the dark. Checking and into a bear move about with the chest and unlocking me. What the love and I shocking me. I face so one channel home block for me. One mommy have me home cancer while rocking. The sounds so supporting me. Oh yeah, me cho. Watch me what do. Sans so mambe and I'm call stingy, but the big keep I'm a talk.
Cause you are my wife, darling.
That's right.
You are my life, you are my life, darling. You are my life, baby. Oh, baby, you are. You are. You are. You know, be say me about. If you love, I want some more. If you be doggy, give me raw. Pick up the phone, talk. I be horse, I no be dog. You be the pillar, be the wall. I go marry you for sure. So, baby, make you no worry at all. Baby, you are my wife. You are my life. Okay, oh, my Fiordo. My Fiordo. Made my woman me so man. On Fanya your payment dada. A 3 year of Fenya Pemache. Sina more Fenny Suman Sasha. My father saw don't come on Sano, Madame for me who need payment to whom you're not attended. My Tony for Kukunajai, Nemo, Akake. I feel good to me and face or the money pay me fee. Brother, me that's not the bomb and PC. Brother, me that's the bomb and PC. Na me so me kusie or the bomb right there. E order you what say? Makuma muto fe. Me dey metafre so amenfe. Me ne black eye. Ye say ya.
Yeah man.
What say?
Too tough. August Kane.
Ye what say?
Bamenyom.
Order you makuma mu ma feel san da ben kra na me nya wo na ma bo ma she wo ko me ne wo ko adom fm anopatutu ya me ne black eye papa bills she say you ko boka grobetia ye bills ma me worry kra ogun su kele me ne wo so adada me ne wo shia ma chere wa de bia bi dada freestyle here kele wele de na yele shabi wele ogun skele chele oh now try me ma wonyo ma wonti bi da me she wo go mi ro suli ha be di pele we ye de do you me da so na se me ye wa ye we ye de di ankrofo beti e ke fira e bi obe charge more akame more we prame more oh ya me de do me ne black guy freestyle with the open so cool and so open popo mi twa photo odo ye wuso ko me pene se ne o ye no de na so ko skill den kra na menya o se kra
Aye.
Se wo do me dia ene mo do ko be bi odo wa se wo se be pe mi ko si awie da na won ku se won ku odo ye we won ku ko me mo to fe won ku me dia me se won ku
you are my wife,
darling. You are my life,
that's right. You are my life, oh baby. You are my life, oh baby.
Say me to the say ya. Try be odo you won't see cry.
That's right.
Say me born you mo so a. Try be ana na ni aje pa. Odo ko ni odo wa. Odo ko ni odo wa. Odo ko ni odo wa. Odo ko no. Me nya blind date me need to crying. It's okay so try yes sign. Odo e di kan aka usuban. Chere ma me am bo mo ban. Me ya why you from actual man sign. Man sign. We ya me ne ya po no odo kro. Odo wa bring me kro. Odo kro. Odo ye wa bring me kro. Odo kro. Cause odo bring me kro. Odo den wa bring me kro. Ah, cheme boy na me ne wa ne ko. Ah, obo na oni okele ya ne ko.
Aye.
Ye ne down bo. Yempe wo nti odo yenko no down bo. Yo na yenko. So na nyawode. Mia na yenko. Yo obe ya feri o. O ye pravi odo ye uwa. Obe ya feri o. Si mi mbunenke odo mbunenke mu ube pra. Tinya bote na me bo nyonko a. Sreka kre no go so kele too tough America me my bed. Endi ara wo bi emu a. Fi say you are my wife.
Sure.
You are my life.
Sure.
I don't FM. Your mama pro me musa. Yes, I'm born you be here. Cause you are my wife.
Sure. Yeah, man.
What's it?
That's right.
I know say, I'm sure now don't be banana. Tia, black eye show and not if you can't manto. Yaba area bimua. Okay, kakosaka kakra. Maybe I share no. I don't make them work for her. Maybe I want no. Hit FM, so one corner, so yeah, then I will be order. Usuni cramponi say, yeah, don't catch him in a minute. I tell you, can you walk for your woman? Tom, my mission will born a young cock. And moving Jojo, and maybe you don't go out. Media made them a come out. Did you shame Musa? No better me out of Minkuan, no shadow. Oshana koto kunyane wopana we say odedo se wo brena se onyo ba wopana bo so odedo ede siato no bi ani chen ede am shosho wana me sasa wo so edo suato no bi ani chen edo ye na wa rese ba ko twabia na maba ma twon do sa my friend also sa one fa na black man in the near so me nyabo tre no free to be me get that enyene it is obedient a crime I me worry obeba wa she me bonu nko ande obeba na madam pe ma twen no see oba ye mesu friend no sa na so on fa oba ya so I record and so miss my go to me na maba man is saying ya you do pramio okumi baby black guy do okumi baby my chubby ade susi so na me ya den na ebeti ato me see ade su gina so ye do okumi odo pramio you are my wife na so do my wife we ma ho ya ma ade bi ya mi Davida. Oh, yeah, my baby, I said you. Davida. You are my life, oh, darling. You are my life, oh, baby. You are my wife, oh, baby. You are my life, oh, baby. Sure. That's right. Oh, good baby. Come on me. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'll tell you. Sure. Na fafa koso forget it. They what's we America, tooth of America original Okusukele yo the down ball. Yeah man. That's right. Yeah. Where we has you? A flow singer. Taxi drivers. I'm on with him black eye and not pay here. I come truck drivers. I'm over here. And you may come out. What break why you so over so worry? Yeah, you come out. Esika fue wogana mutimi mo do ye fe. Yeah, come mamo. And ya for do must you come mamo. Yeah, come esika fue. And come here for so. You way baby. Udi shisha who I so. Papa. You are my wife, oh baby. You are my life, oh baby. You are my wife, oh baby. You are. That's right. I'm a mom. Go good Scott. Me say, shamema. Papa shamema. Oh, chemeba. Papa chemeba. Na den no mami sunkwa. Me drinkwa. Me nyame wambu ame. Obrisa mesre me. Se papa went see me. Ebusian be huru me. Ma wari ye gunti shamema. Papa shamema. Ebu chemeba. Papa chemeba. Na den no mami sunkwa. That's right. Me drinkwa. Me nyame wambu ame. That's right. Obrisa mesre me. Se papa went see me. Sure. Ebusian be huru me. Me say black. Mo sunkwa. Any area won't go. I dear some into me, my dream. I feel me done sorry. Me see you, dear. Me patra sacolabia, bofa, me baby. Oh, hey, my boy. small Biaba nko. Me get so wonti, na smile mobo. Omom jeje menene so aware so. Omanom so near for the wonti man nko. Anka me hear me do. Anka me pay me do. Na so me na mane esresre me. Awonti. Ejuma me nti me na mane esresre me. Akwale mingbo hani wale afine nicho mingbo kani enelo na nije nicho mingbo hani wale afine nicho mingbo kani enelo na nije trouble lobo swe apamo for here yeah na sasuwa he ana bright as that since so he Papa Bessie shehe, black eye wa he, yeah. Na Dr. Panso na Dr. Panso for get to say yeah, say yeah, na nyum na ikusi say you are
my life, oh baby. You are my wife, oh baby. You are my wife, oh baby. You are my life, oh baby. You are my wife, oh baby. You are my life, oh baby. Papa, we are more, kakaya wants to my knees. So, Joe, me my chocos, my locket. But on a service name in profit. Maybe drop it, my own actually. Them feel it, you won't feel it. Me did this so in the they were what's it? Ow, Skonko. Mamma say Konko, Titonto. Me da want to say Tonto. Force, going to the box. Or say no, Joe, why am I dear? Now so Matthias says, I don't know dear salute come be what dear. Cadia work come in. I'm saying, I trade the work and they be a metal trade. I am dear ferry, I me ferry dear. Don't you want to book now? You are my wife. You are my wife. My wife, oh, you are my wife. You are my life. My life, oh, baby. You are my wife. You are my life. My wife, oh, baby. You are my life, oh, baby. Oh, there you are. Once I need study you. Once I need study you. Once I need study you. Hey, who's your goose boy? I don't goose you not show. Me a tough so. Say, I am down ball. Sound. You are my wife, oh baby. You are my life, oh baby. You are black. Talaba is serious guy. Who is serious guy? Oh, goose black eye. I'm out for. We have come a long way, man. Papa, we are you. Debbie Nebeka say. Debbie Nebeka say. Na yeni kwamon fa later see you. Say na ba out. Na hene betumi anya
bi. Social media networks thing.
So you type it there.
Audio Mac.
You're close to the mic for me.
After like we say GH exclusive, but beer and you may to.
Okay, so you type it there.
Over type you are. Fuchin Sarkodie. You are. Until you near you, it is a normal you now. YOU. And ARE. Okay. You are. Okay. Featuring Sarkodie. Sarkodie will be a Nyamishra. Good. Was it easy getting him on the track? Also Sarkodie, you can't take that credit away from him. He's a very hardworking boy. Okay. Ubetia would deliver and you'll be out but it's a Sarkodie. I say he's working harder. Okay. It's me, I respect him so much. Okay. So I'm a channel. Okay. And I think say Stonebwoy, Shatawale, Numia, didn't I can say they are working hard. Okay. Didn't I miss my by this time again? I'm going to work hard because me Tamana Omo me on my boss no. They know how hard I used to work.
Exactly.
Me interview say I'm starting me say ana me lie.
That's right.
You know, me releasing your man, me working hard, me go interview saying here, there, to talk to my fans, to let them know the song is out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And see Black Eye, me there, my baby, ejuma dena na me yentina. Say me fans be me every day me pay interview me say me share Ghana for say I'm back again. My bam me ban so me ban be di agro.
Of course.
Me lazy artist, me hard working artist.
That's right. That's right.
Say me dey ahoden shim na Nyankopon so say or mo bi obetumi di aboa me on time echi na Nyankopon so enhira me.
Fantastic.
Me nyomfo fra me.
Fantastic. So what will be our message to fans in Yina 18 and no pay?
I'm share nyom ne mami. Ana me ye we say bi social media.
Okay.
Wow, to me share enyom no. Emma, me to me say enyom na du baby am pese enyom na du bia. Me $100.
Fantastic.
Yeah, me $100.
Nti utie ya koso ana share. Koso ana share. The more you share no, your chances of winning $100 no kano e brighter pa. Nti koso ana share for my.
Yeah.
Koso ana share for my.
And na me catch me fans. Baby omo so bia ya omo kai me on paibom. Atore bia brabo no. Say man kai me on paibom a mean to me nya hodin pomba radio so be deliver and nemu dia go and to enyomo the radio so
definitely
Yami Shira Ghana as a whole Mets mix on no ball enyomo no am I
okay
Yami Shira omo bo am ma ye apo no odokrom the classmates somewhere pound omo bo am nyomo no mo Yami Shira omo nya
that's right
Yami Shira omo am nyomo I started projects with Nana Furi Asiedu, Shanton, Toaster, my new artists are about and me part this year, Gadalistic.
Okay.
And then my family, and then me now for 4, especially my fans. I'm share me a Ogun Skele Facebook.
Spelling Ogun Skele spelling ye my.
OGUN
okay.
SKELE.
Ogun Skele. Good.
Facebook. Oba me Instagram Ogun Skele 2 tough. Oko me Twitter so Ogun Skele 2 tough official.
Okay.
Nti you bet me abon komo, you bet me have fun. Mo bet me message me, you be have fun.
That's right.
You know what I mean?
That's right. Obi catch them say you come from a wealthy family into Omre wa brabum. Almost say from almost Eastern region ho baby. Baby Diamond
me free Akwatia.
You say Akwatia side on. O papa a big man pa nti no na usa nyina na Omre o ye dada bisa na ade anyi. No kre.
Nyame ekese, nyame ye bia ma me ne mabusua. Me nua Michael baby a wo bia nyame hira. You see. Me papa, nyame hira me papa pa.
Okay.
Ana nyame nso edem papa ko so hwem.
Okay.
Ye keska fo mo ha omo Ghana om talk cast fiti ase na papa ka ho.
Okay.
So me che no. Abrabo ne besesan ma me papa ne ho be kire no. So me che no. Etimi minyi se minyi we kurase.
Okay.
Me na etete me na brefo bi obi anyame hira.
Okay.
Oko ona me de me ba na eto no ni owu first.
Okay.
But me won second one so me started to me na cause me na no reason no chem say o papa ni o ma me ni.
Okay.
Tell me no papa na papa onye sikani because na me miso me di be say 8 years na obesra me o ekrase o Badua Akwatia ho.
Okay.
Oba so oni hustle no na papa wo. Into oba no oba okra ni gali ne make powder. Okay, make powder. You
can make powder pa.
Oba okra ni gali ne make powder na sichire. O de ba pe na me na say, "Wey, nana ya wey. Wey, ebe sonson ku egum yam. Wey yendi o nana ya yendi." Na mama me na achechire, no dey put table so. Waton. Ye broad there ni kontombre na kwafo mu a o de man na no afofo.
Eno na mudi.
Eno na edi.
That's right.
Abato sa make powder ne ba na wachechire aton.
No aton.
One time me ho no man na ye ka chere be say, "Me papa so de ba akra." Na me te brofo pa me we kura na se no but na me hu school a me kwa me te sa brofo.
Okay.
So me che eti papa yesim papa se ode kwa akra me say na papa ye oba ha ku se ode kwa akra kwa de na ode ba akra ode ba akra sabo so kan for kan me papa story me maton esota maton calendar professor Edubu ahin the election na olusu ye me ko to se papa bi ne ba madam fum ko to se calendar ne gude mo bebre they say I ne ka na me twice so tade da.
Okay.
It be call am catch madam for say o papa calendar mo ye den. O say o ye papa say next week yen ko hye no. Na me say oh mo pese mo hye no. I catch a person, I'm 200 copies. You know, me fan femu abuso kan. Black. My friend do abuso kan crown a calendar in your sign.
That's right.
I did see him catch me black and say, Kojo. I see uncle na be. I saw that again. I mean, every time I saw that, I just say coming. A pie. You Kojo Koya, because Professor Dubai calendar, you do abuso kan. Don't forget, I did see here more for no time I saw that. I'm a coach you come here, my papa, and say. I didn't remember fan 10 CD no. Me could try the best 30 CDs. It's just papa. West ring ya kwa for calendar ni bio. I say 10 CD am to free papa no ha. After the oma kwa papa ni 15 CDs. Me for the next day say papa ne ma me calendar na me the business.
Oh yeah, pioneer no.
Papa ne say me on Tom me.
That's right.
Na say me pesca or no pesca chair. So black
interesting.
Exporter.
Okay.
No wosika.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, papa no export parrots.
All right.
And then more.
Oh, okay.
Team papa no a wildlife exporter.
Oh, okay.
It's nana or worth man no wosika no.
That's right.
So see me there my brother there sevi e bia komani.
Okay. So it's been ups and downs.
Yes, me ogun skill na kasa say black I win me. I try bia me wosika pan, I try bia ho cheat me ba my brother, you understand. Nti abrabon there ne obeka say me fa bibia mu there no onum ne o.
Onim no onim. You've been through a lot part to get here.
And I mean so me jinya me dinti say me hwe ase kra me me say mesa
sorry. Fantastic.
Fantastic. And I mean just anya me na ebia sabi owo asori dem ana so ye Muslim ana we me jinya me a wahu me mobo aba be sie ne no na me jini di.
Okay.
Me say bibi ye me a me ne ntem asem. Say bone a me ne me nyame na.
Ba wo jidi say nyame wo ho.
Nyame di wo ho. Nyame di wo ho but me nyame no a obo me ana me jini di.
Okay.
Because obiane ni nyame a ojini di.
Sir.
Because sorry could see the word of God but omonje ebia the word of God mukra nyankopon di but it's good to listen to the word of God.
Sir.
Me read the Bible almost like 3 times the full Bible. Me ko America me konya problem kakra ho no. Enti me ko dey fiase no. Bible ko ana na me sorry am read.
Okay.
Me boy bia me pe fasting here pa na saying na me jai fasting na first me boy am here fasting.
I say Nancy obonsam area o kakra.
There be anya say obonsam area me. Me ntiase o wiase no so anyi kakra. Very different. Me for instance me pe bibia free me nyankopon ho a. Anya kom che na ese nyame de ma me. Ne wa hihia ma me bia ebebem. Ya botre keke na ese me nyana me ye adwumaden train. It's me there.
Also you have your own interesting way of seeing life. Yes, one day also perspective on life.
Because uji unyankopo obo wudi a oboa.
Okay.
Oboa e won only brimanye e bia
wo breno sa and na membre no so na yemre pa.
And of course because ubet my fasting sound and sound e bia tama wonya fasting kwa no
be and sound
because
that's
right. Why fasting the dada e
dey go
attrain sa
that particular moment no good.
Fantastic. Ghana Funya, you know. Yeah, more don't be a kind because
that's right.
Solve problems be brave.
It's true.
You understand? Whenever you don't think still, yeah, that's so. You click it. So I make sure. It's a penny for more Ghana. Yes, from. They didn't to come back there. I am more do. Indium kind.
That's right.
Therefore, don't try Ghana because Ghana is one of the greatest countries in the whole world.
Fantastic.
Very peaceful country in the whole world. We have only one Ghana. It's a penny for more Ghana. I'm more do Indium kind. So do what? Then we move on as a country. Ghana, man.
Okay. Yo, August Kelly, thank you so very much for passing through. Right?
Thank you.
My enjoy you too much.
That's black media film.
My enjoy you too much. Okay. That was August Kelly for you. Over your two top fame. Say he is out with a single one. You are. Let's take it from the top to bottom again. Now, make out say Enchebia Toli yeah, the Tolino so bro right about now. In about a minute or so, the activity flan also do Toli, where she a gum dia maya. Yeah, bra pians with ya. Enchebia no so be show on so no talent right here on 106.3 FM.
Down, boy. You know me say me a more. If your lover wants some more. If you be doggy, give me raw. Pick up your phone, moku talk. I be horse, I no be dog. You be the pillar, be the wall. I I go marry you for sure. So, baby, make you no worry at all, baby. You are my wife, oh, darling. You are my life, oh, baby. You are my wife, oh, darling. You are my life, oh, baby. That I want, you can't want, to me, can't never feel my no, that I want, ain't nobody like you. Believing in you was true. And my bros, so you are so cool. Ain't nobody like you. Believing in you was true. And my bros, so you are so cool. I'm on time for not shocking. The sounds of my force set or dime and I trust it in Tracy. One walk come and read the one lock for picking me sort. And I made divorce my baby. Me as in the Dutch and the wild. In people I grow my name Bubble Cry. Sweetie, what the end of a heat in the dark.
Tolly!
Not shocking me.
Tolly! Why the judge Shamo cried like a victim? Kevin Boa, me pacha wuji utoli dia. Pamente woka. Se utoli na de, utoli ni kama. Betransi. Utoli ni kama. Pamente woka. 0302-216-561. 0302-216-562. My telephone line is 0302-216-561. 0302-216-562. Me pacha wuju who say utoli na de. Pa dia from yan twetwen kom. Toli. Ojina so ankasa o. Toli.
Toli mashi.
Toli kaneshi.
Toli uwashi.
Toli odoko.
Toli Emma.
Toli nunga.
Toli teshi.
Toli chibla. Asa. Udi ni baby afrefe bi nia.
Within the leadership papi.
Yo, adeshe yentie utoli no.
Back I say when Manchikaku. Na we na ki akore Manchikaku ya one man thing is not side and then one good. We na sana achini yempa. Ti sana okpo sabi ejana so. Na ye ni bi ama sign dey. Papa ya kwesti su day 1. Sa wa chima ebimba. Day 2 ebimba. Na wa china da so episode. We na small boy bi ba na obi jane na. Sisi ana small boy na wie ni dey. Ene papa na ode chim o small boy. Na o ede da wudi ya o simple that. I wanna papa ba kwanto.
Toli. Oh.
When you love and I shock him.
Toli. Toli kadeshi. Toli odoko. Toli nungwa. Toli teshi. Toli chibleo. Toli achimoto overhead.
Toli kontiwa.
Toli awoshi.
Toli kontitu.
Toli kwashimai.
Toli konti24.
Toli apenkwa.
Toli pipi.
Toli ashamai. Toli zenu. Toli achimoto overhead. Akem. Yeti obidi a odin baby afrefree. Pacha for say.
FM Kofi.
Yo, KNT o.
Weli ye nkolebi na mo se weli omo ko fukube. Akube no mo ni se nyo mo die nti omo bo miensa. Ba ko techiri, ba ko te.
about consulting. But no, create super. No, what? Na papa nenso. Atame no fa. No 2 seconds. Chane na bago. Also na kubete mi kubedia go. Pas ya ka dia kinki se kubi.
Yo, oh Toli. Oh, the line where to be a so.
Ain't nobody like you.
Yo, Toli. Toli Kaneshi.
Toli Nungwa.
Toli Kaskala.
Toli Tema.
Toli Chible.
Toli Kumasi.
Toli Aduemi.
Toli Kanesi.
Toli Abri.
Toli Bulubulu.
Toli Shishim.
Toli Kompiwan.
Toli Ashirase.
Toli Kompitu.
Toli Fanchinebra.
Toli Nungwa.
Toli Fabode Betume Chalk.
Toli Mdu Etiam Credit Besa.
Toli Koweni Moe Minia.
Oya Femi Raymond Mikase Finungwa.
Nana Etio.
Ene papier bia. We di boni ena omde ne call court. Omde ne call court na say o de on kan asem. O say na asem ase o say jeje. Mi ti mi ka. Mi na kwan so ana mi u say ase Medu Johnson kwan mienu. Bakwa fa na baku we no nkofu bebre wo ho amoye party. Ena kwan we nipa 2 pe na mo. Ena obisa judge ni say inti no say me pese me mfa kwan na himfa na me mfa na judge ni ka che ni say fa kwan keto ani so na ku nkofu mienu no ne ja nkofu bebre ni. Ena say judge sana na nka mi yo na nso no amba ni sa me say me fa kwan keto ani say ku nkofu tu no ena mo jane ye ena mo ko fra nkofu bebre no ene ntimi nso me imagine say me ku omu nti na me de ko fa nkofu bebre nim na me ku omu nyina afra ye
Yo, Toli Ajenga no.
Toli Akoso Bodam.
Toli Kumasi.
Toli Sakomono.
Toli Estate.
Toli okay,
you Mati. Who didn't baby are free?
But I felt come na we to Jamai.
Nana Etio.
But ni bi na no. Na unya ya bole na we kumu. Unya ya bole na we kumu. Ina wato ba se sa ohene na sikromo. Ina wo ya we kumu so ohene no. Na wo de foforo be sho. Na so ohene no. Ya be bia so munya na ma kan kenyi. Nti amanfo ya na ya bole okromo. Ina wato wo be den wo be tu so ohene. Nti ne party ati na wo de eduko good ni drinking. Nti oponko na oteso na wo de ne banana. Oponko de ni pim drinking na ehwegu yi. Nti awana wo check seconds go be ku oponko. Nti wo check seconds na wo ni so munyai na ma sa ankenyi. Awi.
Toli. Toli Kaneshi. Toli Asankregwa.
Toli Kumase.
Toli Betom.
Toli Jomalo.
Toli Elembele.
Toli Mansia.
Toli Inzulezu.
Toli Eribo.
Toli Kekam.
Toli Nkrofo.
Toli Elubo.
Toli Accra.
Toli Asankregwa.
Toli Samaboy.
Toli Ivory Coast. I've heard you on America. You're quite any brother. You're called baby. I'm free.
Raka, you're from Patrick. Who bet me off from woman father?
Okay, Patrick, here too.
I wait, Masana, Bodanibi. Which is ya. On second, and probably wait for now. We back. Which is our chest and what you pay. It's in the power in the Ben on the one, Miss Maubi. And Tevian on the charge you.
That's what me. Papa Bill say pick last call for this morning. Why? And then one sunny birthday. Toli Kaswa. Toli nyanya no. Toli semenhia. Toli esu ehia. Toli gomu apoten. Toli gomu angresi. Toli gomu ankran. Toli gomu kumase. Toli gomu asankregwa. Toli gomu Israel. Toli gomu Jericho. Toli gomu hey, oh kododo masa da botre agro kakra yedi no afa no World Cup say hey do abrodo say ade wanje say ade yo yenti nana
yamaka tina wasi yando appoint grass nananga tina mananga sacha wasane the whole class on the way paper injina wala yando appoint grass onwa yo be saso no we do work banko I dey tell them us the work here it will be no osho dey do appoint media into this no be no osho so osho do you know say I want to manga say me do part one appoint grass one you are we are hope at media into media na say hey bueno friend I have into media no what say media
aha any other phone calls ni nyina ye de besi ntwe pick call bia bio na aha ya dom 106.3 FM se ope eye electronics papa to Ghana mem hadia eye Makers Company Limited se ope double deck fridge ata Makers Company Limited. Se open tabletop fridge ata Makers Company Limited. Se open double door fridge ata Makers Company Limited. Open water dispenser ata Makers Company Limited. Open home appliances biata Makers Company Limited. Open consumer electronics biata Makers Company Limited. Open flat screen TV ata Makers Company Limited. Open fridge ata Makers Company Limited. Open deep freezer ata Makers Company Limited. Electronic appliances biano Makers Company Limited. Home appliances biano Makers Company Limited. There then say omo ama 60% discount. Omo nneoma ni nyina so na mo ye ebia organization bia mo pese mo tobi na mo de ma mo workers ana mo members na ye tua ne nkakra uni how mo ne makers fo nkasa ye betie mo asopam dodo bia mo hia no e de ama mo members no adwuma nkoso a mo tia mo pese mo to electronics na mo de ma ye mo workers no ye tua ne nkakra no mo nice package e de ma mo Makers Company Limited no wo mo 60% discount e wo home appliances and electronic appliances beer beto ede free eye wo mo asue ho free Makers Company Limited wa ma so 055 222 2253 055 222 2253 and 055 222 2254 sheshe eye Makers Company Limited we chira kwan wo Ashaman Valco Flat and afe Amasaman Zongo Junction one edike pharmacy na the same building mo Amasaman Zongo Junction wa edike pharmacy building mo na be hunu the Makers Company Limited and afe so Taifa Burkina and so highway no so Taifa Burkina highway no so no ubehunu Makers Company Limited one branch na baako ewo se open home appliances biato dia Makers Company Limited NBA was utumede wani chere home of affordable appliances and electronics. This is Atom 106.3. I mean share Efia Nancy utie all the way from here Ashamai of Nancy Rice. Efia Nancy of Nancy Rice. And okay, the chicha have a great weekend too. Check my video in the ha. The air baba hetu radio CCC the pa.
They say if I no change, no fit to buy range. There's a man sister. I know fi occupy space. But where I come from, me far.
Jim FM.
My thing I say far. Then it be by grace. And I go pass with my grade. I go bust your brain with my brain. I go pass with my grade. I go bust your brain with my brain. to my go. Pimpa me one sam. Me say me mancha. Pimpa me one sam. You see the way I did. So come me one sam.
Sick of go slow, me at the speed. If fools never did, then wisdom never need. One man in hero be one man in villain. So make I do my own on you, whoever please. As some nine said, me I'm quiet, never scared. Better leave a dog alone, that sign says beware. Be an open book, but most never read. So I turn a new leaf, new chapter, I'm prepared. Almost lost my way, the GPS was missing. Same mission, just a day on new edition. One shy, twice bitten. You know they really add up why they all about the vision. Eyes behind my dark, may my focus it. Say me, may need, that don't mean I'm not noticing. Who find to my going deep in Prague, thinking what could be. Oh, forget about what could have been. Forget it.
You see the way I did. Pimpa me one sam. Me front to my go. Pimpa me one sam. Me say me mancha. Pimpa me one sam. You see the way I did. So come me one sam. Say me. Takasina, you go pay. Come on, where I take play. Me, I'm a deal, me, show ya. You see the way I did. Pimpa me one sam. Me front to my go. Pimpa me one sam. Me say me mancha. Pimpa me one sam. You see the way I did. You call me one sam.
If I follow politician, you go hear am for paper. They go call am prostitution. Who no like enjoyment? If money dey for pocket, shebi na national budget. We go blow up like trumpet. Koroba, 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 koro. Oya carry ya. Koroba, koro, koro, koroba, koroba, koro. Oya carry ya. Koroba, 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 koro. Oya carry ya. Koro, koro, koroba, koroba, koroba. Oya everybody carry ya something. He say, darling, I'm watching you. Small thing you don't move. You come, they shout only. The money you know what for. Back commando. You carry overload. Yawade, Iboro. Show wale, go wale. Koroba, 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 koro. Oya carry ya. Koroba, koro, koro, koroba, koroba, koro. Oya carry ya. Koroba, 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 koro. Oya carry ya. Koro, koro, koroba, koroba, koroba. Oya everybody carry ya something. I don't mean to bother you at all. Monkey they walkie bamboo they chop. Tell me till you say you be talk and do okay. Tell me what you fit do. I don't mean to bother you at all. Monkey they walkie bamboo they chop. Tell me till you say you be talk and do okay. Tell me what you fit do. Koro back, koro back.
That's right. Yeah.
Koro back, koro back, koro back, koro.
Yo, Brapia. Yes, Saka, you have what Bakufia. Abenika say good morning. Na Bibia Boko dear.
With a phone team.
Baby, I'll free by Boko dear.
Boko.
Bibia the D dear.
And Lady Ankamendra.
And Yan share the botanical name for a year and Nyama Nyamia body our body. Yan share botanical names for your money.
Yo, Black.
And Yan share the never had botanical names.
Say, and then Yamia Domadia Chama, ya baby blue head, your next say. Yeah, Baba share botanical names. And Mwaya, and no money in the Mafia.
Okay.
Yeah, Baba Shenichi. English. Any botanical names of animals.
Okay, Tianquam so.
Now we back say, hey, now, and once you want the botanical names, your pa. And the young Samuel no black eye. Brata media metnasa na me woso.
Eti brata abobi ababoni dibia wo boy ano na wabu wani a kire eye wansane na wansane asunisu.
Mate.
That's right. Eti say aboba na dey start.
Ye be fiase na ye kwa no aponchi. Afei yen hwe ne brofudin no. Ne brofudin coats.
Hey, coat.
Aponche ne brofudin coats.
Yo.
Afei mama yen hwe ne botanical names na. Philadelphian mammals.
Hey.
Philadelphian mammals.
Hey.
Afei yen hwe ojan. Ojan. Me das wo ho. Me yen hwe ne brofudin no. Cheap.
Hey, ojan brofudin the cheap.
Ojan black eye. Na say teacher for njo mo dada black eye.
Sir.
Ojan brofudin cheap. Afei me yen hwe ne botanical name na.
Come on.
Hordoconal mammals. Hordoconal mammals.
Ay, akwashia de. Ojan botanical name the say.
Man say me school fees.
O say hrodo de.
Ni botanical name ye Hordoconal mammals.
Ye me nyina ho nche ko anim.
Me sembre.
Ko anim me nyina ho.
Prako. Prako. Me da say. Na mo me hwe prako brofudin no. Na prako wo nim se omo ye ma ne mema.
Okay.
Afi mo me hwe prako oba ne brofudin. Aye pink.
Hey!
Prako oba ne brofudin aye pink. Na mo me hwe prako be ma no. Eno so ye friend punk.
Hey, wofa.
Prako bro anti teachers ne nkire ne ye ne omo ntie ne ye.
Okay.
Bema no punk oba pink.
Enti afefe ewura bunu nim.
Mama yen hwe botanical name say. Rangamorphimonal autotrozic.
Hey!
Rangamorphimonal autotrozic.
I swear.
Yen semre no. Ma yenko akukọ bema.
Akukọ bema.
Na black eye.
Akukọ bema no.
Akukọ bema.
Akukọ bema. Wafako.
Mo yes emre. Akukọ bema brofudin hen.
Hey.
Eno hen.
Wafa.
Mo meyen hwe botanical names no.
For akukọ bema.
Akukọ bema.
Okay.
Why ade? Eno ye Ultramonical zambalak.
Wafa we nko ade.
Aden.
Wafa we nko ade.
Eno kra wo anje antuma me nso me nyin de se me ko me. Braka. Me buanka me boy fa wo je so.
Ene ahanti afi nko akukọ ba no.
Akukọ ba. Braka. Akukọ ba. Ni English name kitchen.
Papa Bells. Ejuma ye betumi aye. Akukọ ba brofudin the say.
Kitchen.
Hey, wofa.
Na mayen hwe ne botanical name.
Come on me.
Non-nematorial ambassadors.
Na wa wo bo hu se wo bre wofa.
Me call research me see there be ade me the Bible.
Because wo bre o.
Etiefo engine.
Etu se akukọ ba ne botanical name the say.
Non-nematorial ambassadors.
Hey, ambassador abemo. Ntina akukọ na mo ede no.
Etiefo anya ni ya me ameye den ni.
O ya ja tu. Come on me.
Yan hwe akukọ abrewa. Na wiase Ghana ha ya akukọ bi. Nanti ye so ayale. Wo hu akukọ ayale da.
Da bi.
Ni mpeni bom na aba.
Ebi mfra ne twahweobo.
Oh, black.
Twahweobo, o twa no hu se ya.
Me nan so akase akukọ bo abrewa bo akokra. Na mo me yenhwe.
Ko.
Akukọ abrewa. Ye frɛ ne peacock.
Akukọ abrewa.
Oh,
ye frɛ ne say.
Peacock.
Hey, wofa. As they say the wo ya yera yi.
Wonji ndi kura mabo.
Ko ni na.
Mo me yenhwe ne botanical names here. Elie Susowantical listowels.
Hey, where do you list one for you? Where do you list one for you? Once I know you, Jose.
Once I know.
Atiya.
Me bo man mo person ya upeja.
E no ni asem no ofako.
Afa mo me yenhwe achechedie.
Achechedie so sei. Achechedie so sei.
Mate. Achechedie brofodi Trottins.
Hey, wofa.
Afa mo me yenhwe ne botanical names no.
Come on.
Susowanlans ambience. So one last ambiance. Na braka I wouldn't say Sadia ya me kosua yema omo ye mwane nyama mo ba me nche.
Oh yeah. That means say a National Geographic for kwa ba ho.
Geographic.
Omba ye. Ti yanko.
Okay, yanko. Akoko akokra.
Akoko akokra osusen.
So wa bo atopi angasa. Akoko akokra. Ne brofo din cocktail.
Wofa.
Cocktail.
Wofa we die. Wofa we.
Grandma bo. Want to mention
Wofa. Akoko brofo di akoko brofo di the same.
Cocktail.
That's right.
Okay. Mumenya shele botanical name no.
Na akoko do di fie se anu aba akokora.
Ehwa wote ne di na wotumi se we ya wa twa pipa.
Na wotumi se we dwan.
Ade wa man kwala tina so se nkwala wu no no ntina se.
I tell you. Wafako.
Maya shele botanical name no. Infamomulala afocolis.
Ene ye de hia.
Akoko akokora ye cocktail no.
Cocktail no. Ni botanical name dey say.
Infamomulala afocolis.
Ofa we dey o mini anope yo. O mini. Ofa o mini. Ofa ko me jira ho. Ofa ko ma me.
Enwa.
Eye snails.
Enwa. Ma yan hwe na bro fudi no.
Okay.
Scales.
Enwa bro fudi dey say.
Scales. Na okran pom be pam school fees kra won tua nyi.
Eti wafa wo se ni botanical name dey say.
Okay, my yan botanical name no. Slow motion walking here. Nande. Na braka ya dia we me say.
Wafa ko.
Amo dia ma me kan we na ho asem dia yank me.
Ekwa bia so.
My yan
Kramai so say.
Kramai. Afa yan kramai no. Na brafo di dogs.
O say kramai brafo di say.
Dogs.
Okay.
Afa yan ne botanical name no.
Come on wafa.
Sociomatical affirmatic.
Na wafa wa nsem na wo kan wo tia.
Black eye.
Oh, there be asem bisa mani nsan. Wo wo tia se.
Wo teacher ni o ma work o se mintumi yam nkwanyamra.
Okay. Yo. Yemfa mienu bi ntu achi na afi yemfa de aka ne hye free. Okay, yemfa de aka ne hye free.
Afi yemhwe last one.
Aboa ben. Ejina moa. Say the boafu. Na say no.
Okay,
wafa na ani ntama ejamu eta su sasu we. Se bema bi person fro oba no wa chire ho na oba ne person be chiama no a. Wansani jai mo asem no ni nkomo.
Mesrao.
Nti se ejamu ano.
Ejiram bro
ne bro
cat.
Oh, and they watcha. And unko ade watcha. When you will ko ade watcha.
Na chere se ni na wonyin ni.
Na ma adwunyam ntanta.
And the school no yam.
Mate ejamu so botanical name the same.
Botanical name. Aye follicular or tramadol.
Hey, when you tramadol.
Tramadol na Ghana for be.
Tu say
follicular or tramados.
Aye, or tramados.
Na black eye.
Yeah.
When you say Sadia we ma teacher ni bi ba me school or ba me students na. I went on TV da.
Me kai sa case no.
O pa fa o ba bla o pa mfa dem ba. Sire am da so ye me teacher.
Me kai pa. Nyame ya domo ada se ne. Obesa de awura classroom no bi no asa be bubu ye ko. Obebu ye ko. Ono atumi de ne nsa wo ye ni no atutu agu ne nsam no asa pepa wo nsa no asa de ahyehya amai. Obubu ye gu o selego no asa ahyehya ye. I'm telling you. 11:36 is the time. This is Atom 106.3 FM. GH Story 2021 and beyond. We are on your radio. Yeah, share head from mom, 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 and say idea. That's right. That's it.
Abraham boy, and am I?
Sure. Sure. That's it. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Sorry, I got no brooch.
Oh. Oh. That's right.
Check you, Subanoya. Susu Subanara. Sisa Subansana.
Cut.
Nansai, Metanazana, Megisa Ganabeana. Nansai, Metanazana, Megisa Ganabeana.
That's right.
Nansai, Metanazana, Megisa Ganabeana.
Sure.
Nansai, Metanazana, Megisa Ganabeana.
Cut.
Boy, and am I a Cosroy, in Kansai, Metanazana, Megisa Ganabeana. Ghana, Ebeana. If you try and wash ya, as we are Ghana and Yami Bidia, Nibisa, Yami Pefi, Anna, Yasmadane, Azan, Stone Sack, Papa, Superstar, Gangster, Pastor, and Apamaya Sasepa, Asasea, Ampa, Apaskamaya Casa, Yaya Baba, Galamse, Obedem, Saya Ghana near. I'll say it, Sawam, Soka Chaledia, Ufichana Mondia, and Fusoka Gra. Yapohoka Fakotoka ya de wako Asia Kwana Kodisika Opa Papa Aisha Galamse Muhima Queen of the Senior Bakwaje Foswatum Bakoso Yogafunu Eya Ensutini Bebe Natane Gata Ochensio Masaseton Kwesia de Wia Onyano Swaton Osansu Wia Obigina Habekasa So Home Jima Politicians Ayaba They need Doma Ghana Since the days of Nkoma No plan for Ghana Yaka ene kokwasa, ene propaganda Enu ngane kase hunu, ewe yene osu Abe, kube, chini ya na osuno Yedi Ghana hamache, na mafunye jumanye Na nanubweni atite, asem sebe Asem bako swa eya Se o yare ni adobe kwa kotwa yare sabia Uni mobi oha, agise uwe sika Ghana mishemika, asye ya yera Odie, musio mwana kode fiase Beye ose, jabede odie wefi wiase Christopher, Gramophone, Modatiase, Mope Heaven, a call, Masami, a mobo. Nansai, Metanazana, Megasa Ganabeana.
Ebeye.
Nansai, Metanazana, Megasa Ganabeana.
Ebeye.
Nansai, Metanazana, Megasa Ganabeana.
Ebeye.
Nansai, Metanazana, Megasa Ganabeana.
GH Story.
Alright, boy. And am I
yeah, man.
Into the crossroad, in the bay.
That's right.
Last time, it's another Ghana.
That's right.
Ghana, Ghana. It's a GA story.
That's right. Ghana.
Black Eye.
Eti hene ya yebenya monyomi bi na yetumi enya bi na yezu yetumi abobo ye ka mu wa ne ye fiefie ne
ye. DistroKid. GH Story Ghana. DistroKid okwa obenya Spotify, Audiomack, Apple Sounds, almost other major platforms.
Okay, it's the entire
Facebook, we are GH Story.
GH Story.
Toka and Kuzni.
Okay.
GH Story on Facebook, on YouTube, GH Story.
Okay.
Instagram, Real GH Story. You can find us everywhere.
Okay.
And we entreat all Ghanaians that Ghana will be well.
Most definitely.
Ghana be our together.
Ghana be. Okay, but before I better must see some to me pass it through with this GH Story. I say Wabahabo more. Fantastic. More.
We want to leave them a message.
Exactly.
This one is patriotic.
Okay.
We are going to give them the real jam.
That's right.
For the party, for the dancing feet. They should look out for Roman.
That's right.
It's a massive, crazy tune.
Most
Roman
definitely.
from GH Story dropping before the end of March 2021.
Then we are waiting.
More.
Fantastic. This is 106.3 FM. Ni chabobo teni ni aba. Dameba, there is more to you.
His Excellency Prophet Cephas Kwame Pegatamaklo, founder and general overseer of Breaking Yoke Ministry International, brings you Principles of the Kingdom every Monday 10 p.m. on Adom 106.3 FM. Listen and be transformed. Church activities are as follows: Sundays, Divine Empowerment Service 7 a.m. Tuesdays, Spiritual Checkup, Prophetic Service 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. Fridays, Deliverance and Direction Night 6 p.m. Location, Klagon NDC bus stop of the Ashaman Nungwa Road. For more details, please contact 0242-203-547 or 0243-374-821.
The Makers Company Limited. Up to 60% discount. Our selected appliances. So 80 come once this year. Now Wolfer Pie. Quality. But affordable. Say Samsung, Nasco, Media, Toshiba. 1 year manufacturer defect warranty. The Makers Company Limited showroom. Our Taifa Highway. And now Amasama, Zongo Johnson. Any assignment Vaco Flat. Fresh 055-2222-253. And now 055-2222-254. Sia. The Makers Company Limited, home of affordable appliances and electronics. Awufa Pie.
Ayeko Slave for Ghana within promo no beja within our chedia papa be the mouth also me match ya Ghana 18 nowadays so ya within 12 yards nanya 2 yards ka ho free I will within store BM match yi be kan ya mamra asombo ho wait there made in Ghana kwaje with 2 yards say ya won some be sabia 020-473-8113 and 020-300-2772.
Woodin, le créateur.
At Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
That's right, 106.3 FM. We have about 15 more minutes and I'll be saying goodbye to you. About 11:45 pepe. Na yanko Grace Homeopathic Clinic. Na yane Dr. Mrs. Boamada Konchuchen Komakaka. Mami, good morning.
Good morning.
Now what to say? Na ene wadaro ma edahe. Ma ene edahe. Me de be pass mu rough because why for too much. I say for money on Facebook na doctor why for too much. Yo doc, me pacho na what issues be na na ba app. Yo. Ba ko edi mu akotene ye headache, tiade any tipai. Imagine almost say mitia me ya na ye miti na me ya nti mame nkope painkiller bi na memfa enkele pain wo miti ebi nso adwene om say so wutia wo ya na ebia na unipadua na kwa ni ba bi na ebia nkoyie na ebia ebo signal no ewo utimo ti pacho doc to boss na chire mu ni ntumi hu sa dynamics ya se ye
why papa no krese de wa chire mu no headache ya dia Ghana ha ye fa ne common kra yade a yemu nanso headache anati paye yade a ehu na asefemsem ye ka headache a yaw a free ye kon ebesi ye ti be bia uti oye bia no na yaw a affect sa biaye no na yade a ehu na asefemsem because ye ti no enioma bebre ene wom ya adwen ye tirimu ye ninkosua sebio ye hwinimu sinuses eno so eya de kan ye ti ho ena fe ye minimum nti nioma bebre na say infections etumi attack sa bia ya maboboboboi na eba sa etumi matidua ni nyina eye wo ya eno nti na ye boy ye homodin se wuti ye wo ya emfa ntena se because who nim ade potin a akofa tipaye no ede abrel afi ade baako a ede tipaye eba paye fever cold and sinusitis afe throat infections, hypertension, stroke, medical problems, meningitis, and afe dental problem. Yense intokro to me beda osim na abo ahyemu a odidi mu eba sai to me de tipaye ebrew na saa ne ma nyina yo haw ne akwan hodo a ye fa so enya tipaye afa stress etumi de tipaye ebreyen yen a yetiti dwom ba bi a dede ni ade ewo ho no etumi ma ya dwen ebre nti se wa dwen ne bra ene tipaye enenam etipaye ya de a ehu de nti e ka se ehu ni se ebia na wadwen inti a esoma emoja akọ wadwen mu no ohawa ba ho ayehye ayemre etumi pai inti no tumi pai na fe enyu moja egu wadwen e ba sa pe ubenya ohawa e friend stroke enu nti na yesrese se uti pai wa emfa ni agro emfa ntena se esan se ewo nsunsu so bone ewo nipadua so se uti pai na de tena se a etumi ma black spot ewo wani so tibon se wani so ya ye wisi na wani etumi ebo ani fraye enu nti yen hye ne nso se de be ya se yeti paye ne a yebetu so anamontem afi high blood pressure obi a umoja abro so no utumi nya tipaye pa na ma wakoma ebo periperi nti se uti ya oya enu no nro basa ha wo ho ne mom tu anamontem na bra Grace Homeopathic Clinic na yen hwe ma eho na oba ye wo mfidi e de be scan wo nipadua no efri wutiri so ekosi wo na ase na afi ye hu ohawa e wo nipadua ni mu na ye gina so ama waduro di akotu ase a yade no kwa ensan emabiu kra afi oba ya so ye na ya scan wo awie no ye nhwe wo ma nkokwa ye to ye bo ase esan se ye wo physiotherapy wo ya so ye ho nti ye boa ma massage wo ye miemia ye twetwe ma hu sane na afe hunam dua no asisi so obu oho na ni moja wo ni mu no ada eda sa entumi ni efusane yie se de sese eye ti na afe ama onipadua na yete bo wo abesori na onipadua ye obasabasa na wa yete bo na wani subriwu no ebetumi abase wo moja no kra na ada entumi ni efusane yie wonsam na wonamu aye utitiriti ni nyina no eye bia ye moja ntimi nru ho ntina ama emu aye utitiriti no nti abasa uba ya so ye ho a ye boa wo ma otene wa pom se de be ya emoja betumi edi mu afusane yie sanse ye nipadua no bia ye bia moja entumi andru ho no sa bia ye no ewu moja ene kita nipadua no ti se wadwen ho ka na enti no epai na moja nyugu timu a etumi di stroke ba na afi bia ye bia sa moja ne mframa andru ho no na afi ama stroke na ma sa bia ye no ajojo enu nti na stroke ya de adoso ewe ye maimu ne mum se oni me be ya adwen a ye nka mom na ye me apomudin hu hia ye na fe ye ntu saa o haw no asemfiri ye nipadua so de nti a ye kasa wi a ye kasa ma wapomudin hu hia wo ne se nipadua no wankasa ene kitao nti so haw ba ho a wa na obetinka na wotinka wo nipadua no nso a esese wutu anamontem se de be ya enkofo haw eni sunsu asobone emfamre onipadua no enu nti na ye srese mo wapomudin hu hia o netu anamontembra Grace Homeopathic Clinic ama ye hunia etete wo no ntem se de be ya engine semu ana enkofo haw eni sunsu asobone emre o afi wo ba ya so ye ho a ye wo dietitians ya ye de obefa aduane die entiti ye mu esanse ye kwa ye bei aduane a ye di enframa ye home ensu a ye nom eno ne kofa nyarwa hodo bebre edibreye eno nti uba ya so ye ho a ye to ye bo ase kirekire onuane a eye se de be ye be mu adidi yie ama ohaw ne yade nketenketen emma onipadua so Grace Homeopathic Clinic enye ba we ba udi sika beba ene hia yen ne mum se de be ye na yen so ye beto ye bo ase aboa ama wapomudin ho nsem agina brane no eno ni ade hiade kese pa eno nti na abre ni abre nyina ye ben wo na ye ni udi wapomudin ho nkomo se de be ye a onsu benya hotoso wo ye mu no atu anamontem aba na ye gina so ahwew enima mbobo so ni nyina ye ni free ye njika preba ne mum se wo ba na ye hwehwe onipadua kwa anem ne hu hawo a eno na ye gina so ama waduro na wo ba ya so ye ade a wo bo ho ka ana utua ka wo ho duru pe eno nti ebusua masa asemi enye wo asemhia na tu anamontem ba bia wo bia no hwehwe ye kira kwan ye wo Madina akachi abo last stop Koforiduan so ye wo Old Estate Calvary Presby asori dan na chiri ho pe ye be stress aso ye mienu bia no ba bia eben wo no tu anamontem na uba nyame nam ye nsa so ebetu ohawa etete wo no ase deku afiri nipadua so a yade no kwa ensan emabiu kra ye be stress obe free nsisi a ama ye gina so a register for free screening your numbers are 020 00675 00 020 00675 00 and 055 618 1666 055 618 1666 ye juma fiti juoda kosi memeneda anopa no nso ni ahye juma se no nan ne fa pepepe na ya pon enu nti uba na wabantem empempi no eya ye taika se
ma wankasa wapomudile ho nya no doc anopa die ye beda wase na Papa Bills ene wansane birthday o enke ye biti me pizza ne ba ho and as a pizza ne delay bibi eba good ene wansane birthday na guys no we moment to happy birthday nyom emfama wansane doc we dey other mama nkwansa for eni monyam ta akire na yen celebrate wansane ne I think say wansane has been very supportive. He's been very instrumental memeda soko success story mo ti ene wansane dey the birthday I don't know Scott anywhere di bia beka I can't 5 minutes here for sorry so
di me birthday one yesi
who did that be who do birthday that be
January
Wash. Yeah, well, match mo kaje. Na Saturday me resume here. Na me resume.
Na we resume.
Na me resume here. Na Ampaneka na Sunday. Ampaneka na Sunday. It was a Sunday, but Sunday is a show.
Oh, ba wansa me di be pie.
O de na kwa.
Oh, me di na kwa.
O de na kwa. O de wansa na kwa.
Me de na kwa female hospitals no.
No kwa
shopping mall.
Okay.
Female hospitals.
Yeah, shopping mall KFC female hospitals. Okay. Yo, ya ti ase. Doc, me pa try ni where di bia be carry a chere wansane a. O head any more the so. Mo fa kaba na nto no. Mo fa kaba na nto wansane so. O head any more the to odi ni birthday.
Ase wo wa fifi na ni ase.
Aje izo.
Birthday boy.
As well. Sa.
Na o ma na hodi.
That's right.
Kwani ahodi ni.
That's right. That's right. Fantastic. Now, wansane, and then ye biewa no kasa. Wansane ye biewa no kasa. Wansane. Na udi ankasa de say.
Ndi ankasa Emmanuel
Kwesin. Okay, unyini wey.
Nkrofo.
Eye enzema. Ada oye enzema ni. Oh, okay. Tie hwane ye wo. Okay, na emrebe na discover say utumi sumu asu.
Sata na mi wo 6 years.
Now was 6 years.
Na ya chede na am ne papa ko hayo. Ndi mi su fa mu asu na papa shitu am.
O papa e hunter. Eti wo sumu ani su a. Na mo ani yeso mo be mo pe na papa shitu am. Oh, okay. Na Abraham ma me discover our talent, you know what can I say?
Mami de no nim say me nim su. Ndi me ne papa mami ko afuom. Ndi me dade ne me su fra wansa ne mami odwane.
Usufre wansane mama bi dwane. Adana mama jin say wo ye den.
Ndi mami ka say we I am ya me before. Me teacher ga jen say oba onye before na ehira no.
That's right. Mama
tias.
O papa so
tias.
Omo nyina tias. Good. Gize say omo te so kasa radio so there na o mama feel say.
Oh nanije. Good. And
how do you say?
25 years.
25 years. Wow. And you want kasa to happy birthday, man. What to happy birthday, man. One kasa to happy birthday. What to happy birthday, man. Okay, I'm
happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Anyway, once I you wish you happy birthday. Yes, your package as you celebrate your birthday today. You've been wonderful, Ankasa. We really appreciate you. Or support how they supporting it. Or contribution how they contributed to memory dasuko. But for all the 30 seconds, Becca Bibi and I'm from final message into you. You say Scott Mike and all.
Once happy birthday. Once happy birthday.
Obama once happy birthday.
Birthday. Don't have one Korean for monkey no bunch.
Eti wasa radio wa sumwa. And Papa Bells, na obi so send me mail message on Facebook say na wansa ne mobile money number you saying. Obi send me mail on Facebook say well, people want to support wansa ne. But say enye registered, right? Eti yemfa registered number no. Registered number no yemfa enumum entudwa enfamanto obobo registered number no gina bobo registered number no na nkrofo entumi and send over so 027 no bo
054
027 no bo say 054 so we register with the mobile money, right? Exactly. Tibo 027 no there was no 027 no
027
from na me mama wansane mobile money number ni 0277 428519 0277 428519. Na yen support it once and pizza number yo yabukwa kodi no off air Papa's Pizza Daroba hand you media this me did the question appear between from a black eye na me admo e be share that's it.
Which group be that?
This if you know be boy yo black power family yeah they be go say I go love